All right, so let's talk about people who own multiple companies and whether or not they should form an LLC for those various organizations.
The answer is yes. They should actually form an LLC for those various organizations, and there's several reasons to do that. First and foremost, division of liability. So if you have one company that creates some sort of error, there's a lawsuit, there's a debt, whatever the case is that's coming back, you don't want the problems of that company to attach to the problems of your other companies.
Sure.
So there's a little bit more work. Of course, if you're going to have separate LLCs, you do actually have to run separate businesses, so separate tax returns, separate books, separate bank accounts, those different types of things. But divisional liability is not going to be free. You can't just go get some paperwork and say that I'm going to be completely protected and it's going to be super easy to get this kind of stuff done.
Yeah.
Another reason to do it is going to be, say you want to sell one aspect of the company, it's going to make it a lot easier to actually sell one part and continue the other things.
Mm-hmm.
And then another one is going to be just kind of like giving some ease with your accounting and your taxes going at the end. So what you'll see is people create a holding company and they'll have maybe multiple LLCs underneath because there's similar ownership to all of them. So what you can do is you can basically have those subsidiary LLCs set up to where they might have like a sole proprietorship taxation. So everything flows up to the holding company, and that's where you can do that primary taxation. And what that'll do is that'll kind of help keep those accounting bills at the end of the year a little bit lower than what they might be if you're running 7 different S corporations.
Awesome. That's a great tip.
Yeah.